This report, as implied by the title here, is something that should be looked into every Monday. So I would like to go to my file menu to set up a scheduled job. I'll need to add a scheduled job for this one here. Now this dialog here tells me something about the source, and it's just important that it is a saved report that you work on here, and in general settings whether the job should be enabled or not, and also the name of the job over here. Furthermore, you have an option to send mails on errors or warnings, maybe to yourself. Just put in your email address here. Now moving on to the more interesting thing, the schedule part here. Since this one was a Monday report, I would like it to start on the next Monday. So I just pick that date, and then it should be repeated once every week, once every Monday. And maybe on Mondays it should be sent out at 9 in the morning. The next tab is about format, and when we talk about reports, the only format is a PDF document. So just keep it at that. And then for your delivery options, you would very often want to send it by email. So put in your email addresses here, put in a subject and an additional message, and maybe check some of these boxes if you want to. Now, on this setup I got here, I'll just export it to a folder. It says the default folder here. And the default folder on your target server would be in program data, target, ANT server, and exported reports. So that's your default folder. Let's keep an eye on that. Let's go back to the scheduled job, and let's just click OK on that. And now we can open our list of scheduled jobs that we created. And the one we created, we see it here. It's actually sitting here waiting for next Monday at 9 o'clock to run. Now you can also force it to run simply by right-clicking and then do a run now. When we do that, you can see it's currently running. We can also look into the folder and wait for that to produce the PDF file here. It will in a few seconds. There it is. That's my Monday report. And you should also be able to see on the job that it actually succeeded. So let's have a look at the PDF report to see if the scheduled job managed to produce something useful, as it would every Monday from now on. And of course, every time the scheduled job runs, it'll pick up fresh data.